Sammy? Oh, Sammy? Where are you? Come on, come see what I've got here.
Shush, Sue! I'm having a spa day! See? Better you come and join me!
Sounds good, but no, thank you. I'd rather make a cool craft.
But you haven't even tried this super mask yet. All beauty bloggers at Tibidaba swear by it.
Ew! Looks gross. I don't feel like trying it.
Oh, come on! You didn't even give it a chance!
And I don't think I will!
Ahem! I have a package for Slime Sam. I need you to sign this special form. Where was it?
Hey!
Whoa! It's a whole package just for me! I wonder what's inside. Let's see.
Ooh, what's in it? Ah, looks like from the inside out.
Really? So what are we waiting for? Let's open these blind bags.
Sure, we'll start with Joy. Ah, this is so nice to the touch.
That's right! It's so squishable!
Let's get some lenses for our Joy. Where are they?
Hey, buddy, have you seen a blind baggie with lenses anywhere?
Are you ready to sign for the package yet?
Ah!
What?
Those eyes look really cute on you, but we need them. That's better, so what's up next?
Well, this looks like the chef's hat.
It's not, silly. It's a dress, see?
Ah, that makes a lot more sense.
Sammy, what are you doing?
Her hair, don't you see? Hairdresser's power, activate. Now we're talking.
Wow, what a beauty our little Joy is.
Seriously, if no one signs for the package, I'm taking it back.
Thanks for helping out. I'll take it from here.
Ah! Not again!
Okay, let's see what's inside, shall we? Wow, look at those fancy nails. Oh, this is so cool. My nail stylist would be so jealous. Sammy, could you hand me those nail stickers, please?
Yeah, about that. They won't come off, Sue. Help me. Ouch! Ouch! Hey, stop that right now.
Sorry, Sammy. Aw, those stickers are so cute. Now, let's see what's in other baggies.
Oh, what's in this one? So squishy.
Alrighty, let's see. Oh, this is Joy, and I think she needs a little help.
Seriously? Is that Joy? Oh no, lack of sleep is no joke. But I know exactly how to fix it. I'll be right back.
So we need to start with acne removal. Don't worry, honey, you're in good hands.
I knew it. This super duper mask would come in handy.
All right, you got it. Let's give this mask a test run, shall we? It's really gross. Let's hope it will work. Whoa, that's what I call a result.
See, I told ya. Spa day continues. Yay!
Oh yeah, and up next is the skincare baggie. The super cool cream comes first.
Hey, Sue, maybe you could sign for the package. Ah! Achoo!
Huh? What was that? Anyway, let's move on. We're left with a few big pimples. Just a mask is not enough. We have to take drastic measures. Ew. Right?
Hey, Sue, what's going on? Did I miss anything? Oh my Tibidaba. Next time, give me a heads up, would you? I hope there's anything more relaxing in those baggies.
Do nose patches sound like a relaxing treatment to you?
No, I was thinking something more like eye patches. Where are they?
No one will ever know I took them.
Hey, it's not for you, scoundrel.
Hey!
Sammy, what's going on? Oh. What is that sound?
How How did you like my spa ritual? Hey!
That's not how these should be used, Sammy. See? Here we go. Feeling better, aren't you, Joy? Oh, your lips are really dry too. But we can easily fix that.
Spa day means a healthy snack, right?
Didn't like it, huh?
Blah! I need to wash that taste off.
Well, of course. It's not strawberries, it's beauty patches, Sammy.
Yeah, now I know that. This soap is simply awesome. Sue, pour me some water, would you? Ugh! It's cold! Cold!
Oops, sorry about that. How do you feel about this soap, Joy? Now, let's wash it off. And wipe your face with a soft towel. Sammy, hand me that mask, please. Ew, no, not this!
Gotcha, Susie! Ow!
Ha! That's what you get for trying to prank me, buddy.
Hey, not fair! I want a massage, too!
Okay, here you go.
Oh yeah, you're a pro, Sue!
Oh, look at this, Sammy. My massage did you good.
Ugh! What have you done? My perfect image! It's ruined!
I kinda like it. But okay, let's see where we are with the makeup. Wow, there are even lenses. This is great. Here we go. Uh-huh. Now that's a whole different look.
It wasn't easy, but I got rid of that awfully beautiful hair. My head itches now, though. Can you powder me or something so I don't itch?
Sure, no problem.
Ugh! It tickles! Wait, I forgot to sign for the package. Where's that mailman?
Dunno, I think I saw him around here somewhere.
What if I just sign it myself? That wouldn't be so bad, would it?
Hey, buddy!
A ghost! Ah!
Whoopsie.
Okay, we're done with the foundation. Let's now move on to the makeup. That's right. And they would look wonderful on our Joy. What a great idea, Sammy. Okay, the hair. Huh? It's empty? Ugh.
The blue and pink look great together.
Hey, I thought the hair ruined your image.
Hair? No hair.
That's what I thought.
There you go. We're done with the makeup and hairdo. Now, what about the nails? Let's see what we have in here. Oh, wow. So shall we?
Oh! Oh no!
Yeah, we have a lot of work to do here. And the sooner we start, the sooner we finish.
Ha! A hot tub! Just what a slime needs for a relaxing spa day.
Hey, it's a hand bath. See? This is not bad at all. Let's keep going with the manicure.
And this will help us work up the nail form. Wow! Joy, I didn't know you had so many nails.
Sammy, it's my hand.
Whoopsie.
I guess someone got too carried away. Ready for your new extra beautiful nails, Joy? Let's go!
Pink will suit you best. Trust an expert.
And don't forget about the glitter. I could call myself an expert too, you know. A few moments in here. And our nails are done. Don't they look beautiful?
See? The spa day made me glow up after all. You should have joined.
Ha! Those aren't yours.
You are no fun.
Yeah. Let's put them in their proper place, shall we?
Hey, friends, wanna know how to create the same beauty kit?
Huh? Who are you talking to?
No one! Let's make a craft already! Here you go, Sue. Here's everything we need to make blind bags with joy.
Whee! Thanks.
Here it goes. Hey, I'm not bad at coloring.
Stop right there! Who told you to touch this?
Don't be rude and give me this.
Hey!
Okay, let's move on. Now let's add highlights to the hair. It'll make it look more voluminous. I'll deal with these real quick. Well, I think we're done here. All we've left to do is cover everything with this special file and cut it out.
Oh, finally. Thank you, Sam.
Sure, no problem. And thank you for such a cool kit. Ow! Oopsie, my bad.
Oh, Sammy, watch where you're going. You could have hurt yourself. I hope you're okay, and thanks for the help with these. To make the craft fun to play with, let's add some squishability, shall we? Oh, this is nice.
Hey, Sue, check it out. A magic trick. Abracadabra, whoosh!
Oh, awesome. You saved us a whole lot of time. Now, let's put everything in the baggies and close them all up neatly. And this is what we get in the end. Awesome, right?
Well, after such a relaxing break, we can do some cool crafts. Sue, where are you?
A relaxing break? I feel exhausted. Now I need a spa day.
Oh, come on. All right. I'll do a craft myself then.
But before you do that, do this super cheesy mask with me.
What? No way! Duh! Friends, subscribe to our channel and like this video. Sue, no! Oh, give me a break!
Come on, give it a chance.
No! Bye, everyone! I'm out of here! She won't leave me alone! Duh!
You can't hide from my cheese mask, Sam.